Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this tutorial we'll be doing a comparison between CapCut and Adobe Premiere Pro video editing softwares to figure out which one is the best for YouTube video editing. If you're looking to get into YouTube editing or are looking to find out which editing software is the best for PC, then this video is for you, so let's not waste any time and get into this. First, let's look into CapCut. CapCut is widely praised as an excellent choice for social media content creators, thanks to its ability to produce quick, fun, and engaging edits with ease. Its free version has further boosted its popularity, making it accessible to a broad audience. Many users have noted that they were pleasantly surprised by CapCut's capabilities, as they didn't expect such powerful features from free software. Available on both computers and mobile devices, it offers flexibility and convenience to creators everywhere. That said, CapCut isn't without its limitations. It's well known that the platform doesn't deliver the highest quality exports and isn't best suited for professional level editing. One of the main drawbacks is its difficulty handling larger files, which can hinder more complex projects. Overall, Adobe Premiere Pro is the more widely favored option among users, with many appreciating even its most basic features. Its extensive range of transitions and effects, robust color correction tools, and versatile text editing capabilities are often highlighted as standout strengths. However, the software is not without its drawbacks. Many users report that its layout and navigation can feel overwhelming, with panels that are difficult to locate or manage. Additionally, Premiere Pro has a reputation for occasionally crashing or restarting unexpectedly, an especially frustrating issue for those who aren't in the habit of saving their work frequently. Keeping that in mind, you guys can make your decision on what suits the best for you and your editing style. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe and like this video for more videos.